My name is Dr. Brian Burgess with Hinsdale Orthopedics, a division of Illinois Bone and Joint Institute, specializing in foot and ankle injuries and lower extremity pathology. I think my patients would say that I talk to them freely and openly. I want them to know that I'm truly invested in the healing process and getting them through the finish line through the safest and most efficient means possible. One of the things that I enjoy most about my career is the ability to see patients of varying ages. The young athlete with an overuse injury to a middle-aged patient with a life-changing traumatic injury, and even the elderly patient that presents with a debilitating arthritic foot or ankle condition. I find it equally rewarding to get the young athlete back on the field as I do the elderly patient their quality of life back and getting them back doing the things they love to do. I'm blessed with a great team. I really feel like we have all the available knowledge and resources to get patients through the finish line through the safest means and most up-to-date technology.